Awaya na yale la yale la wasi All glory and honor and praises give to Modimo, the creator of all things. My name is Brother Moapare, and I come to you with this third video, people called by his name. Okay, all right, so this is part 3. Okay, to recap on the previous videos, we spoke about the consuming fire, that the name of the Lord, or the Lord, is a consuming fire. And that's a totem for Bakhatla. The second part, we spoke about Tholo. Okay, this is the Barolong tribe, that their totem is Tholo. Therefore, these are Batholo. Okay. I recall that we indicated that the name of the Most High, the official name of the Most High, is Moto. Okay. All right. And therefore, the Savior is Son of Man. Okay. Moto meaning man. Okay. So, and Batholo. Okay. All right, and also in answering, if you recall the video, answering Proverbs chapter 30, verse 4, okay, we spoke about his name, Moto Di Wadilo Tsotle, okay, the creator of all things. Okay, so in today's video, we are discussing also the Basotho. Okay, we want to actually show you in the scriptures where this name comes from. All right, firstly, we need to recall Genesis, where the Lord was speaking that let's create man in our own image and in our own likeness. Okay, so this is what we are learning. And so Adam was created. This is Moati. Okay, he who multiplies. Okay, so now if we go to Genesis chapter 4, verse 25, and Adam knew his wife again, and she bare a son, and called his name Seth. Okay, for God said, she hath appointed me another seed instead of Abel, whom Cain slew. Okay, this is Seto. Okay, when you ask Botswana, what does it mean to, when you say Seto, kana Boto? In fact, Boto is one of the attributes, okay, the good attributes that you will find in a grounded Botswana child or person. Okay, this is well-mannered, respectful, honoring, parents, merciful, and sharing, saving, and all that. So this is the thing of a peaceable people. Okay, the Lord is gathering a peaceable people. Okay, so even if you don't, if you are a peaceable person, know that salvation is for you. So upright people. Okay, when we looked at the scientific names of we looked at Homo erectus, we discovered that Homo erectus are actually the woman's seed. And then we also discovered that the serpent seed is Neanderthal, okay, or Genevesan, depending whether they are blue-eyed or green-eyed. But so the serpent seed, okay, it's cunning, it's like Cain, it's a murderer. Okay, all right. Okay, so now when we go to Genesis chapter 5 verse 3, it says, and Adam lived 130 years and begat a son in his own likeness, after his image, and called his name Seth. Okay, Setho. Okay, this is, I'm impressing upon your mind that this is what it is. Okay, so my brothers and sisters, I know that the Most High is using me, and the light and the knowledge that I'm sharing with you, I want you to take it seriously, and I want to also share this with your family and friends, and also to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And this is very important because we are now at a critical time, okay, where the end of age of this world, or this world is coming to an end, okay, if you like. So the most important thing is to be prepared. Okay, my people perish because of lack of knowledge. And because thou have rejected the knowledge, I, the Lord, will also reject thee. So it's very important that when you receive something new, you find out, prove all things. Okay, and ask the Most High. If we ask, we will find. If we search, we will. If we ask, we will be given, and if we search, we will find, and if we knock, the door will be opened. Right? Okay. So I'm saying that this child was called Setho. Okay, Adam is more okay, he who multiplies. Okay, that's what Adam is. Just this is Hebrew. Okay, why this word Hebrew is from Heba, Heberecha. Okay, it means the scattering. Okay, scattering of our people. Now we are talking about the gathering. Okay, in other words, if you are gonna splash the water at some point, it's gonna, be dispersed and or scatter, but at some point it's going to come and become still. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm talking about, the crucial time, the end of this age. Okay, Esau is the end of the world, but Jacob is the new world that is to follow. Okay, so now so this Basotho are called by his name. Okay, this Setho, okay, Botho, okay, good attributes that I've been speaking about. Okay, so this is the series continues. My people who are called by my name. Okay, his name is Moto. Okay, his son's name is Moramoto. Moto means man, and his son's name is Son of Man. Okay, this is even a standard 2 or 3-year-old can understand. Okay, all right. So until next time, my name is Brother Moapare. Have a good evening.